again to the beach. Lovely weather, honey,
Yes.
you're saying?
It's cold, but it's bearable. I mean, we could do without the wind.
Let's see how that's gonna go. We brought enough clothes to put on if necessary.
Just then.
So I didn't even make it to the beach yet, and I'm already cold, just saying. So, day 4 of our holidays. We decided to stay in Boscombe still today. There's a timid sun at the moment, which hopefully you can see. So we decided to risk it, come to the beach, but God knows how cold it will be. What are you doing, Luciana?
Keeping warm and fit.
I am creating a sunbed that will protect me against the wind.
Oh, okay, smart.
It will.
Fit it.
I'm creating heat from inside with some calories.
I'm shopping for a windbreaker.
Elisa is creating heat from Amazon.
And this is the situation. I told you it was gonna be cold. Let's see how successful is this experiment. Caldas dug him a grave.
Is it better there?
Yeah, no wind. I have no wind here.
It's 17 Celsius and there's someone dressed or undressed like this. They're gonna do an attempt to see if we can fit 2 in this hole.
Looks brilliant.
It works?
Yes.
No wind? Comfortable?
Yes.
Doesn't really look that comfortable, I'm not gonna lie.
I mean, it's comfortable.
Fair enough.
Beach comfortable.
Where's everybody going?
We're leaving you.
Too cold.
Really? Too cold, Lou.
Unfortunately.
I don't know where was that sun you're all waiting for.
It was here when we arrived.
That's why we brought proper attire and protection. So Elisa is doing her therapy session and I'm alone. Everybody went. It was too cold. I told you in advance, didn't I? Scrap that. That's Caldas.
I'm back.
I don't know why he's back. Why are you back?
Just because I want to be here with you.
I think he didn't want to leave me here alone. Although I'm fine with it. But, you know, he's Caldas, he's nice. Okay, after playing a lot with my drone, now it is time to go home. Ooh, I rhymed.
20 minutes later.
So, Rafa and Fede are going to the gym. Dave dropped us up at the supermarket. We're almost done. Now we just eat bread and ice cream. So today, as promised, I'll do guacamole and it's gonna also be a burger night. So this is what we've done.
Looks amazing.
And some guacamole. Another a successful dinner. I think that's the mood. Everybody's like zoning out.
In a food coma.
I think that's a good sign. So, success. Who's
Success.
cooking tomorrow?
Not me.
And not me again, definitely. So maybe Fede.
Yeah.
Let's see. This man is like the little devil. I'm just saying.